Welcome back, coders. In the previous tutorial, we have discussed about the map group by. Now it's time to discuss about the object group by. So what we gonna discuss, object dot group by. Okay. So let's see. We have an array of objects, and we want to run object group by on it. So first of all, we can see what it is returning. Console.log. First of all, say fruits. Okay, let's see. We are getting fruits. Okay, array of objects. So we don't need it actually. We need, okay, first of all, create a callback function. Okay, function my call back okay based on quantity. Okay, and we wanna return something. Return based on quantity. If it is greater than 200, then give on output, otherwise others. So it will be high, otherwise it will be low. Okay, const result equal to object dot group by based on fruits and my callback. Okay, so this is our result, and we wanna run a text and for loop. Okay, const text equal to these fruits are high. Okay, now run a for loop, for in loop, for off loop. Okay, for let say we need index and we need quantity. Okay, of result dot high dot entries. Okay, and we want to get a new text, and that is q.name. Okay, q.name plus q.quantity. Okay, let's see the text. Console.log text. Assignment to constant variable, type it off. So actually we have written const, but it should be let, because we cannot change the const variable. Okay, so let text, and now see the output. The results are high, apple 300, banana 500. So we can successfully group by. So all is above 200. So I'm console logging it. Let's group by the low. Okay, so again take a text over here. Okay, these fruits are low. Okay, now run a for loop. Okay, they are providing us. Okay, it's okay. Okay, then text would be same, q.name. Let's see the text. console.log text. Text we should let, okay, let text, so it's taking the one, it's taking text2, okay, text2, okay, console log text2. Let's see. Yeah, it can also group by these fruits are lower range. Okay, there is a typo, these fruits are low. Oh yeah, as I have no given the beer tag. Let's see, give a beer tag. Will it work or not? Yeah, these fruits are low. Okay, as is not a JSX element, so it's not a big deal. So actually we can group by these things. So I am showing you the both part for high and low. Let's see. Yeah, a high means 300. It is above, it must be above 200. You see, above 200 is high, otherwise it is low. So we are getting above 200, 300, 500, 300, 400, and 600, and lower 200, 150, 100. You see, so this is above 200, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Above 200, right? Yeah, above 200. So no 200 over here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6. And how many items? Rest of the items are below 200. I mean 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So, so we can successfully group by, object group by. So previously we have seen JavaScript map group by. Now we have seen the object group by. So this is very powerful and modern feature. And right now I think most of the browsers does not work, even though this is powerful and you have to learn it. So it will be handy in necessity. Okay. Okay, before finishing, I want to show you two more things, and that is I want to show you the result. So how it's grouping by. Okay, console.log result. So let's see, it will give you group by results. Okay, let's see. You see, they are dividing two things based on high and low, based on my condition. You see, high and low. So they're giving you the extreme results which you are seeking. So high means it is above 200, 300, 500, 300, 400, 500, 600, and low means low 200, 150, 120. And I want to show you another thing. So what you are getting in the I and Q. So console.log I. First of all, see the I. Sorry, I. And I am commenting this, otherwise it will become mess. So I means you will get the index. So 0, how many items? Based on the condition, you are getting 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And see the queue, console.log queue. So let's see. So Q on is for index, 0, 1 index, and Q are the items. And similar way, if you console log this I and Q, you will get for low portion, say console.log I, console.log q. Let's see. I want to separate console.log. Okay, this is for high, this is for low, and you see you are getting the index. We have four items, 1, 2, 3, 4, and these are below 200, below 200, below 200, below 200, 200. Okay, so they are separating. So if you console log everything, so it's a good practice to get a good understanding. So that will give you a crystal clear idea about your code. So you have to console log and see, and you see in the result they are separating according to my expectation. They are separating two things. I'm showing you once again. Console log result. So console log result they are separating. You see high based on high and low. And if we result dot high, you will get this result. Result dot low will get this result. So this is JavaScript object group by. Okay, so you see result dot high entries, it will give you the entries. Entries means these are entries, key value and key value, everything. Okay, everything they will provide you. Okay, so if you like the video, please like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned, stay connected. And the next tutorial we will discuss about the performance benchmark in between set versus array versus map versus object. Okay, so it will be a wonderful tutorial. So stay connected and please like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned. Thank you very much. See you soon.